Welcome to the lesson on the duties and functions of non-executive directors under the UK Corporate Governance Code. As usual, the learning materials for this topic can be found in the description below the video in order of appearance. While both executive and non-executive directors, NEDs, share the same statutory duty under Section 172 of the Companies Act 2006 to promote the success of the company, their roles diverge in practice. Executive directors are responsible for formulating and executing corporate strategy once approved by the board, whereas NEDs operate under the chair's guidance to ensure effective leadership, active participation in decision-making, and oversight of strategic implementation. In general, non-executive directors are expected to devote sufficient time to their duties, offering independent oversight, strategic insight, and accountability. Supported by the company secretary, the board must maintain effective governance through appropriate policies, resources, and access to information. The Code also emphasizes the need for a succession strategy, ensuring continuity through merit-based appointments overseen by a nomination committee composed of independent NEDs. The earlier combined code, as discussed in the Walker Review, required NEDs to challenge executive proposals, oversee strategy execution, ensure the integrity of financial reporting and controls, and contribute to remuneration and succession planning. The UK Corporate Governance Code 2016 refined these expectations, emphasizing that NEDs should constructively challenge and help develop proposals on strategy, a principle carried forward into the 2018 Code, which highlights their responsibility to offer strategic guidance, expert advice, and accountability. The 2018 Code thus places greater weight on NEDs' strategic input, reflecting recognition of the diverse expertise they bring from different sectors. The Walker Review acknowledged this, advocating for a balance between financial experience and diversity of skills, and further recommended induction and training frameworks to strengthen NED competence, including regular business awareness sessions and internal support structures. These measures were prompted by concerns following the 2007 to 2008 financial crisis, when many NEDs were found to lack the expertise needed to scrutinize complex banking decisions effectively. Furthermore, the 2018 UK Corporate Governance Code mandates that at least half of a company's board, excluding the chair, should comprise independent non-executive directors to maintain balanced decision-making and prevent dominance by individuals or groups. This requirement reflects the importance of independence in key board functions, such as appointing and removing directors. The Code also outlines circumstances that could compromise a director's independence. For example, recent employment, material business relationships, additional remuneration, family or cross-directorship ties, shareholder representation, or serving for more than 9 years. If any of these factors apply, but the board still deems a director independent, it must provide a clear justification in the annual report. This approach supports the Walker Review's vision of transparent, well-structured boards within banks and financial institutions. Nonetheless, Mark Moore argues that the tension persisting between the expectation that NEDs exercise extensive risk oversight and the traditional notion of an independent board, continuing to shape discussions on corporate governance effectiveness. In conclusion, the evolution of the role and independence of non-executive directors in UK corporate governance illustrates a shift toward strategic engagement, accountability, and informed oversight. The modern framework, particularly under the 2018 Code, builds on the lessons of the financial crisis and the recommendations of the Walker Review, seeking to balance professional expertise with genuine independence. This ensures that boards operate not only with technical competence, but also with the objectivity and critical challenge necessary to sustain sound corporate governance practices. Thank you for your interest in this topic. To learn more about directors' duties, check out our dedicated videos where we examine the topic in depth. We hope that this lesson was helpful to you, and we are looking forward to seeing you again soon.